Kaspa has quite a few technical updates planned for the next 1 to 2 years. And what's next for Kaspa? We will discuss these questions and other news in today's video. Welcome to the Crypto Keeper channel. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel if you are interested in everything around Kaspa. Let's talk about beta-driven move with Bitcoin's rally. Kaspa's gain mirrors a broader market uptick led by Bitcoin, which rose 2.93% to $70,812. The rally was fueled by a return of institutional demand. U.S. spot. Bitcoin ETFs saw $167 million in net inflows on March 10th, snapping a 2-day outflow streak. Concurrently, MicroStrategy announced a $1.28 billion Bitcoin purchase, reinforcing bullish sentiment. Kaspa moved as a beta play on Bitcoin, with no coin-specific catalyst needed. The lift came from improved macro sentiment and capital flowing back into crypto's largest asset. Also, Kaspa faces immediate resistance at its 30-day simple moving average, $0.03. Holding above the 7-day SMA, $0.03, could allow a test of this level. The daily pivot point at $0.0299 serves as near-term support. A break below could see a retest of lower levels given the coin's longer-term downtrend. The technical structure suggests a tentative bounce within a larger corrective phase. The path likely depends on Bitcoin's ability to sustain its recovery. Among the latest changes on the blockchain, this is the Kaspa hit 600 million transactions, and zurzeit in den Studies, Kaspa's blockchain surpassed 600 million total transactions, a significant milestone since its 2021 launch. The network averaged roughly 386,700 transactions daily, with peak days in late 2025, processing over 150 million transactions directly on its Layer 1. This activity is enabled by its blockdag architecture, which supports 10 blocks per second following the 2025 crescendo upgrade. What this means? This is bullish for KAS because it provides tangible evidence of network adoption and robust underlying technology. High throughput with low fees could attract more developers and use cases. So, let's talk about predictions. Analyst predictions for Kaspa, KAS, short to medium term 2026. Many algorithmic models predict relatively modest growth, 0.023 to 0.095 range in 2026, according to prediction models using historical price data and volatility analysis. Some cycle-based forecasts suggest potential highs around $0.23 to $0.24 in a strong bullish market. Typical analyst range for 2026, $0.03 to $0.24. Midterm, around 2030. Predictions become much more optimistic as analysts assume adoption and ecosystem growth, around $0.67 by 2030 in a bubble. Some long-term forecasts place KAS near $1.44 by 2030 as the ecosystem matures. Typical analyst range for 2030, 60 cents to $1.50. Very bullish projections. Some speculative models and analysts predict much higher values if Kaspa becomes a major Layer 1 network. 48 cents average in 2026 with a potential high near 89 cents in very bullish conditions. Extremely bullish forecasts suggest $4 to $6 plus in future cycles if adoption accelerates dramatically. These forecasts assume strong adoption of Kaspa's blow, listings on major exchanges, large institutional inflows. Key factors analysts say could move KAS price. Listing on major exchanges, binance spot, ecosystem growth, apps, smart contracts, broader crypto bull market, institutional investment products. Well, let's talk about plans for 2026. Hard fork covenants, 2026. This is one of the upcoming network updates. What will add programmable rules for transactions, UTXO scripts, multi-signatures, time locks, and other security features. The basis for more complex applications expected to be around March to June 2026. This is an important step towards more complex logic in the network. Transition to DAG-Knight consensus. This is the biggest update of Kaspa. What will change? An improved version of the current GhostDAG protocol, more safety, almost 50% Byzantine fault tolerance, faster transaction order, network stability under loads. The expected launch is mid-2026. Also increased network speed. Following the implementation of a DAG-Knight, a significant increase in throughput is expected. Now approximately 10 blocks per second. Target 25 to 40 blocks per second by 2026. Long-term, 100 blocks per second. This should prove that proof of work can scale without losing decentralization. Do you think Kaspa will reach $1 this year? Disclaimer, this video does not pressure you to buy any cryptocurrency or invest in anything. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed it, please give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, share your thoughts on Kaspa in the comments, and don't forget to turn on notifications so you can get notified every time we post a new video.